Good day, folks. And guess what we have today? Arrived in the mail yesterday. Brand new pH meter. In the 40 plus years since I started growing weed and gardening, I have only ever used the pool testing kit and pH strips. I've never owned an actual meter, so it was my birthday a couple days ago, and my wifey decided to give me some money to spend on Amazon, so I decided to go with the AC Infinity. A little on the pricey side, but it comes with the 7 and the 4 pH testing solutions for calibration. It's a totally waterproof unit, so if I happen to drop it, it's not going to necessarily kill it. Some rather detailed instructions, which is handy because a lot of the cheapy ones, the calibration process is ridiculous, and the instructions they give you with the Chinese crap really just doesn't work out most times. What came with it was just a breakdown of how the guard works on there to keep you from hurting anything. And I downloaded the online manual. There's a bit more information. But yeah, that's gonna make pH in the water a little bit more simpler, I hope. I'm not overly sold on the idea because they're so notoriously unreliable. Okay, here we are, folks. Yeah, do my new pH meter test. I already calibrated it yesterday, so all should be good. Turn her on. Oh, she's looking into the distilled water. It's going. Okay. Don't think I need to worry about the excess, but anyhow, yeah, I calibrated her yesterday. The L and the M at the bottom means it's calibrated, ready to go. It says just give it a couple swirls and see what she says. Ooh, it's pretty low. But it's okay. I gotta top it off today anyway, so good to know. There, kind of back up though. I think that's good. I think she's gonna be a handy little unit. Let's see how it goes. Shut her down. There you go. Said that you should never store wet with distilled water. So I have to dip it in the number 4, shake off the excess, and then put it back in the cap. So that's what we're going to do. Thanks for checking this out with me, guys. Bye.